Can she pull it?
Well, here we go, guys. Yeah, let's start again. Right, it's Friday morning and it's blowing an absolute gale. It's about 8 mile/hour winds. It has eased off just a bit now. It's just stopped raining. It's pouring with rain a few seconds ago. Clearing up the branches and small bits of tree after all the storms we've had recently. Another load of sticks. Can she pull it? Of course she can. We just put this small trailer on because it's easy to have a big trailer to throw the sticks and the branches over the side. Here we are in this tractor. Just got a load of wood, sticks, branches in this small trailer. And this is the last load now. There's nothing major, just some biggish branches. Well, here we go, guys. We've just got the sprayer out, as you can see here, out for the spring, because we've got a MOT test today, so they're coming out to inspect that and check that over. Yeah, as you heard a moment ago, the wind is still blowing. It's not as strong, but it's still windy. And the problem is when you're outside, when they've got this wind, you just can't hear anything. There's just so much wind in the background. But we've now got to the pressure to do the test at. That is the pressure I've set at, and that's the bar it's actually doing. So it's actually running at 100% of what I want it to do. You can see the litres in the tank is gradually coming down. The guy who's doing the test, he's just, you have to jug test the nozzles. So he's just sticking it on. You have to do it, I'm not sure if it's for a minute or 30 seconds. And he's standing behind the broom because the wind is coming that way and it is blowing all over the place this morning. Definitely not spraying weather, but it is only clear water we've got in this spray. There's nothing else in it. It'll probably wash out and everything, so it's just clear water. But I don't know if you can actually see on the jug how full it is. But I reckon that's probably 3 litre jug, I reckon. So he's just got to test several nozzles to see what they give. Obviously they all have to give the same. I think it's 5 or 10% difference between each nozzle. I think there's a maximum. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out from him in a minute what the difference is you're allowed. Yeah, I reckon he's doing it for a minute. That's why it has to be set at 3 bar. And if you look further along here, you can see that gauge, which will be the pressure is coming out the nozzle. He's got there to see if because you said the pressure gauges correspond with what's in here to what's out there. So there we go. It's all passed its test. Not so, it should do. I mean, it's only a year old, so. Yeah, let's start again. I wonder if you realise what I meant when I put that in the thumbnail. It's time to start again. Yeah, we've got a new batch of pigs in. Normally you don't like pigs, so we'll just see how this one goes. Yeah, these are the little babies. They're about 6-7 weeks old. They've just been weaned from their mothers. Just doing my they came yesterday. I'm just doing my daily go through to check they're all okay. Come on then. Come on. Come on. If they stay longer, they'll probably come to the camera, but. They're normally pretty inquisitive animals. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're coming, aren't you? Come on then. Come on, little piggy. Come on. Yeah, the problem is when they're small, they tend to mess inside, which is in here. They normally tend to mess along this wall here. So we normally have problems. They came in yesterday at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. No, they're not too bad actually in here at the moment. Yeah, they're pretty good. It's either there or over this far side over here. Where are you, piggies? You're in there. No, that's still clean and dry in there. That's good. Here we go. The window, we now have to put plastic in these windows because if glass breaks, a pig might eat it and it might injure it. Another weird rule we have to put up with nowadays. It's a sheet of polycarbonate sheet. I'll just chip the old one out. What happened to the old one? That when they pressure washed it, they blew it out. They put a bit too much force on the window and cracked it. So I've just got to cut this shrink to the right size and then matchstick it in. So that's what I'm now in the process of doing. This stuff's covered with a protective layer. Just to peel that off. Very sticky. So it's got a layer on both sides. One side is clear, the other side is thin. See if it fits. It fits like a glove. This stuff to hold it in. Typical, as usual. When I'm stuck, and we've got tiny stuff to do. We're going to get another pot of this stuff. Right, there we go, job done. Keep the pigs warm. Yeah, and the top window here, just open. You need a little bit of air in. That has finally calmed down. That's why I can put these window with glass in, because it was too windy I couldn't put it in, but it's finally calmed down now, so.